Nubia is gearing up with music too. Nubia Music 2, as the name suggests, is geared toward offering great media playback at an affordable price and available at the price of $90. Nubia Music 2 will run with Android operating system. What's up friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. One of the main highlights of the phone is the DTS Ultra 2.1 channel audio system with 3 speakers that can reach a maximum volume of 95 dB with support for special audio. Nubia Music 2 is it's pretty much a lower mid-range phone. And talk about the specifications. Smartphone has an IPS LCD touchscreen display with a 6.7 inches display size and AD plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Smartphone offers a Unisoc T7200 chipset along with an octa-core CPU. Nubia Music 2 has a 4 GB of RAM and internal memory is 128 GB. There is two rear cameras, consist of a 50 megapixel primary snapper with an f1.8 aperture and a secondary 2 megapixel depth camera. There are two LEDs beside the camera and the speaker module at the back, which blink to the tune of the music. There is a 5000 mAh big battery with 10 watt charging. The Nubia Music 2 comes in two colors, Melody Wave and Pop Art. That's all for now and thanks for watching.